Yeah, okay, I have idea. All with me, yo, what's up, okay?
Yo, what's up?
Yeah. Okay, see you soon. It's okay, girls, relax. Yo, what's up? Alright, so I'm in the, what's the name of the warung? Warung Natis next to the Kokowa, so very good vibes just at the front of the La Favela. So I will have a drink here and probably lunch also because very nice vibe over here. Alright, so I'm in this warung, have very good vibes as you can see, having bintang. Cheers, by the way. And today I wanna talk about the Seminyak and how's life in Seminyak. And is Seminyak good for you? In general, you would like to come here for holidays, or you would like to come here to move permanently, you would like to live in Seminyak. So basically, in this video I will talk about the pros and cons about living in Seminyak. So first of all, in Seminyak you can find literally everything, starting from the fancy cafes, restaurant, finishing with the fancy hotels. And basically you can find in Seminyak any kind of restaurants, cuisine from all around the world, cafes, Instagram cafes, old style cafes, simple cafes like this one, affordable for everyone, or very fancy when you're gonna leave $100 for one dinner for two. A lot of things in Sandur about the food. Also a lot of bars, sport bars, clubs like La Favela next to me, what I actually looking into it. However, it's closed, I think. Anyway, they don't allow me to record now in La Favela or any other clubs, bars in Seminyak for many reasons. I have to accept that, I have to respect them. However, that's how it looks like in Seminyak. Another thing is accommodation. In Seminyak is a lot of villas, private houses, very fancy, very modern. It's very close to go everywhere. It's still close to Canggu, it's close to Kuta Legian, it's close to airport. It's residential area called Umalas, which is a lot of fancy villas over there. Actually, I make a vlog in Umalas, I drive around Umalas, how it looks around. I will put link somewhere here or here, doesn't really matter. People who decide to live in Umalas, in Seminyak, they are wealthy people. I'm not gonna say as they are rich, however they are wealthy people, because mostly of them, they are owners of the businesses, or they are working in Bali, mostly expats, managers in the hotels or in the restaurants, or chefs in the hotels or restaurants, and mostly they getting job in Seminyak, Canggu area, so for them is the best place for living. That's why a lot of kind of wealthy people living in Seminyak. Also in Seminyak is a lot of action at the moment. It's like Seminyak is just after Kuta Legian action place, where is the restaurants and cafes. However, it's quite more expensive, and actually at the moment Seminyak is more busy than Kuta in Legian in the terms of the foreigner who living here. In Kuta Legian, mostly now the people who are there, they are local people, domestic tourists, but in Seminyak there are a lot of expats and also foreigner tourists who decide to come during this time on the proper visa. Now now Seminiak is becoming very famous, and some people saying Seminiak is like Kuta Legian long time ago, and now Seminiak is like that, and Canggu nowadays become like a Seminiak 20 years ago. That's mostly because Seminiak is already very busy, and Canggu from the rice fields becoming the small city like Seminiak in the past few years. So that's how it looks. And now at the end, if you thinking about Seminiak, you should think about if you are wealthy enough to stay, buy, rent villa in Seminiak, and also if you have enough money, if you would like to live in the center of action. There is a lot of clubs, a lot of bars, it's quite noisy and quite busy, so yeah, you have to think about that. If you are still young person or you have a kind of job, or you are thinking about living and work in Bali, probably Seminiak is the best for you. But however, if you are thinking to have a place to live in Bali in the more calm residential area or more calm city where it's more Asian vibe or more local vibe, or it's just generally peacefully, I will strongly recommend you a different area except west coast, which is Kuta Legian, Seminiak and Canggu. However, Canggu is also very famous place for living. Now I will show you around parts of Seminiak, starting from Petit Engen area and then to the main center of Seminiak, how it looks around, how is the general conditions right now for the people who are very familiar with the area of Seminiak. Comment below what do you think about this area, if you have ever been in the Seminiak, if you would like to live in Seminiak, or maybe you are prefer to different part of Bali. Comment also below what is your favorite part of Bali, and also comment below if you would like to have different vlogs about the same concept, talking about the pros and cons of different area, let's say Kuta, Canggu, Sanur, Ubud. I just had my dinner. Very nice pizza, very nice vibe, very good crack with the ladies, very lovely ladies in this place. Fully recommended. Natis Coco Mart, just at the front of La Favela. I suggest you to come here because the stuff is very nice. Yeah, like always, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Something new. See ya, take care guys. Just relax.
Okay.
Can I hug?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
I have wife, but it's okay, no problem. I'm so sorry.
I love it. Look, my heart. Oh, you have wife.